Is your love life feeling like a car on empty? Bickering constantly, feeling unheard, and that spark just seems gone? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many couples hit this bumpy road, but fear not, there's a way to refill the tank and get your love wagon rolling again. Think of your relationship as a beautiful garden. When negativity takes over, it acts like weeds, choking the love and connection you once had. These weeds pop up everywhere. A sharp comment about the dishes, feeling ignored when you try to talk, and before you know it, your once thriving love tank is feeling pretty empty. Here's the key to fixing your relationship. The love tank. It's your designated safe space to talk openly and honestly, away from the daily grind. Think of it like a weekly date night, but instead of fancy dinners, you focus on refilling your emotional cup. Schedule 1 to 2 hours a week coffee shop, quiet corner at home. Get creative. This is where you'll deal with all the negativity that's been brewing, instead of letting it explode throughout the week. So, what happens during this love tank meetup? Here's some questions to get the conversation flowing. Start simple. On a scale of 1 to 10, how full is your love tank this week? What made it feel that way? When your partner talks, truly listen. No interrupting or getting defensive. Your goal? Understand their needs, not point fingers. Okay, you understand what's bugging them. Now ask, what's one thing I can do this week to fill your love tank? Their answer might surprise you. Maybe it's taking out the trash or simply putting down your phone when they talk. Ask, when did you feel most loved recently? This helps you identify the things that really make your partner feel good, so you can do more of those awesome things. This strategy is all about small, consistent changes. Focus on one thing your partner wants you to do each week and see how it changes your dynamic. Remember, it's not about grand gestures, but about meeting their specific needs, one step at a time. While the love tank is a powerful tool, it's just the beginning. Think about creating rituals that strengthen your bond. Maybe it's a weekly game night or a couple's massage. Find something that keeps the spark alive. Don't let your relationship sputter out. Talk to your partner today about implementing the love tank strategy. Choose a fun name together, pick a time and place, and commit to meeting regularly. Many couples face challenges. You're definitely not alone. The love tank offers a simple yet effective way to clear the air, understand each other, and rekindle the love that brought you together. Leave a comment below with your experiences or questions. This is a journey, and together we can support each other in building stronger, happier relationships. Remember, a happy relationship takes work, but with a little effort, your love tank can be overflowing in no time. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.